Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
你
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
你 呢 一 你 你 你 好 你 好 你 好 很 高 兴 认 识 你 你好 很高兴 认识你 你们 你们 你们的普通话真棒！你们的普通话真棒！迷你迷你，这是一个迷你玩具。这是一个迷你玩具。
Let's learn how to write this character. Note that its structure is narrow on the left and wide on the right. The left part of this character relates to people, and the right part means you. This is a second-person appellation used to refer to the other person. It is a very commonly used Chinese character and one of the most basic titles in daily communication. Pay attention to making this stroke longer. It looks better when extended. Time flies. See you next class.